Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Before you go to sleep tonight, make sure your door is locked. Because sometimes, the scariest things don't happen deep in the forest or in abandoned buildings. They happen right outside someone's front door. Doorbell cameras were meant to keep people safe. But sometimes, they capture things that were never meant to be seen. From strange late-night visitors, we see a shadowy figure darting past, a face pressed too close to the lens, and a door handle slowly turning. The clips are accompanied by static and eerie, distorted sounds. Underneath, title card appears on a black screen with a flicker effect. 10 creepiest doorbell camera footage ever recorded. Music shifts to a low, ominous drone that continues throughout the video. Narrator. They were designed to give us peace of mind, a digital eye watching over our homes when we can't. But sometimes these devices capture moments that do the exact opposite, moments that are unsettling, unexplainable, and utterly terrifying. From strange visitors in the dead of night to encounters that defy all logic, we've compiled the footage that will make you think twice before answering your door. The screen shows a stylized, glitchy number 10. Narrator. Our countdown begins with a suburban home in what should have been a quiet evening. The footage starts normally, showing a peaceful, empty porch. But at precisely 3:13 a.m., a figure dressed in a vintage, smiling clown costume slowly walks into the frame. It doesn't approach the door or try the handle. Instead, it stops directly in front of the camera and just stares. For over 20 minutes, the painted smile is fixed on the lens, unblinking, before the figure turns and walks away as silently as it arrived. The homeowners never found out who it was or why they were there. Screen shows a stylized, glitchy number 9. Narrator. This next clip is a parent's worst nightmare. A mother was at work when she received a motion alert from her doorbell camera. When she checked the live feed, she saw her 8-year-old daughter playing on the porch. But then a voice, a deep, distorted man's voice, emanated from the camera's own speaker. It called the little girl by her name, telling her it was Santa Claus and that she should be a good girl and come closer. The terrified mother, miles away, could only scream through her phone for her daughter to run inside as the hacker laughed. The screen shows a stylized, glitchy number 8. Narrator. It's one thing to see someone on your porch, but it's another to see something that shouldn't be there at all. This footage captures a strange, hazy light that materializes on a family's front steps. It flickers and morphs, almost taking on a humanoid shape, before gliding across the porch and disappearing through the solid front door. The family reported a sudden, inexplicable cold spot inside the house at the exact same moment. They still have no rational explanation for what their camera recorded. The video continues in this format, counting down through various scenarios, like a hooded figure standing motionless in the rain for hours, a desperate person banging on the door claiming to be chased by someone unseen, an attempted break-in where the intruder talks to the camera, a woman whispering strange incantations at the lens, a delivery driver who seems to vanish into thin air, a shadowy, animal-like creature crawling across the lawn, and finally, a homeowner who opens the door to find an exact look-alike of themselves, smiling back. The screen shows a stylized, glitchy number 1. Narrator. And at number 1, we have a clip that is deeply disturbing. A homeowner checks his camera's recorded events after hearing strange noises all night. The footage shows him leaving for work that morning as expected. But just moments after his car pulls away, the front door opens and a figure steps out. It's him, or rather a perfect double of him, wearing the exact same clothes. The doppelganger looks directly into the camera, smiles a wide, unnatural grin, and then casually walks back inside, locking the door. The real homeowner was at work, with no idea who or what was now inside his house. The video cuts to a rapid-fire montage of the creepiest moments from the countdown. The clown's stare, the hooded figure's silhouette, the doppelganger's smile, the child's confused face as the voice speaks from the camera. The audio is a cacophony of static, distorted voices and sudden, sharp sounds. The montage abruptly ends. The screen holds on a final, lingering close-up of the clown's smiling face, frozen and grainy. The image slowly zooms in. Text fades in over the image, always watching. All fade to black.